not so close to it.
Okay. It's just like this.
Don't drop it.
Okay. Still hold your hand close. It's very, very big. It's huge. This one will weigh like how many kg? We are at the Snail Grass Cutters Farm here in E4 in Ogun State. I will be showing you everything about grass cutters breeding and more. I bet you it's going to be very exciting. This is Mr. Abdulaziz, the owner of the Grass Cutters Farm. So how do you do, Sam?
You're doing very fine.
Okay, we're here to see your grass cutters.
Okay, let's go and see them.
Alright, so guys, come along. How do you breed them?
Take good care of them by cleaning their houses on a daily basis.
Okay.
Providing them with the kind of grass that they feed upon. This kind of grass that we are serving them now. That is usually every morning. Then in the afternoon, we also serve them some other items that are called supplementary feed, like whole maize, like wheat over, and some other things.
So what makes this one different from the one inside the bush? Because I know grass cutters are found in the bush, but now they've started rearing them. So what makes it different?
We can still say as per meat, that is the end product, they are still the same thing.
Okay.
But about this, I mean, they have more care than that of the wild life animal. They are less aggressive, in short.
So how long does it take for them to get matured?
In 7 months, a male animal can get matured for the purpose of consumption and reproduction, while a female animal in 6 months can be sexually mature and ready to start reproduction.
Okay guys, we'll be going to the most interesting part of this story. That is the food part.